Welcome to Archiesense. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant impact on people's mental and physical health. Even though restrictions have been eased, many people still feel the need for more personal space to restore their mental well-being. Especially for those living in cramped urban homes, the need for open and natural spaces is increasingly pressing. The HY house is built on a limited plot of land in the middle of a dense urban area. The main challenge for the architects was to create a completely open house design within a cramped space. The solution they found was to design a structure that was responsive to the tropical climate. To overcome this challenge, the architects created a tropical shell made of clay bricks. This shell acts as a natural shield from heat, dust, noise, and rain, while allowing good air circulation. Inside the house, the minimalist design and use of large glass panels create an open space that is connected to nature. The HY house design has succeeded in creating an environment that is conducive to the mental and physical health of its occupants. With good air circulation, natural lighting, and the presence of natural elements, this house offers a calm and comfortable atmosphere. Residents can easily relax, interact, and enjoy time with family inside the house.